designing or creating a web page. This is the basic page that we learn how to design in my first video. Guys, if you have watched that video, don't forget to write your comments below, because it will tell me that how many you have learned by this video and what are your problems or any kind of confusion if you have in that. So don't forget to comment in my this video, so I will clear your issues in the next one, or it will be if it will be possible, then I will comment back to reply your answer. Okay, so this is the HTML start. Then we will start the head, then we will write the title, my first web page, and this is the end. As it is specified that this is also a container element, now we will start the body. Now in the body I have written left margin. As you can see over here, left margin equals to 55. Now let me show you the picture of this web page. This is how it looks like. The title is displayed over there, my first web page. Then this is the space that we have specified. This is your left margin space. Okay. Now this is with a very small difference. Why I write over here H1? As you can see, my hello world is a little bit bigger and a bold one. This is specified by your heading. H1 heading. Now let me change the heading for you so you can see the difference. Now I am writing it H1 to H5. Now again, okay, this part is very important, that you should every time when you need to make any kind of change, you have to save your file in Notepad, and then let me show you it. You have to save your file every time. I have made, for example, I have made the change. I changed from H1 to H5. Now I will click on file, save. Now I will go back to on my page and I will refresh my page. Can you see the difference? This is your H5 heading. I have moved first on H1, that was a bigger font, and now this one is your smaller font H5. It means you have noticed that if your heading number will be less, it will display in a bigger one font, and if your heading number will be smaller, it will bigger, it will display in a smaller font opposite to your font number. You can remember in this way. Okay, now the left margin. Let's change this number for you, so it will again give you a hint that how it will work, or how it will put the margin to your left side. Again I have changed the number. Now it is 155 pixels. PX stands for pixel. Again I will click on file, save, and then move back to on my page and I will refresh. As you have seen, now it becomes more into the center. Now this one is 155 pixels. Now let's move to other tags. We have start writing into let's make this one bold, and then again at the end you have to close this tag. Again save your file, move back on your page and refresh. As you can see, this makes your text bold. Now let's go back and change it into italic. Okay, let me copy it for you so we can see the difference as well. Okay, I have copied it 3 times, so I want to show you that what is the change of bold, italic and underline. The first one is bold. I have started the bold, I have ended the bold. It means my first line will only be bold. The second one is italic. I have started the italic tag and I have ended the italic tag. It means that this one should display in a slanted way. Then end one is your underline. Now let's see the difference. Now you can see they all come on a same line but with a difference. The first one is bold, second one is italic, and the third one is underline. Okay, now let me show you how we will specify the list. As you can see, if you remember, we have two types of list, ordered list and unordered list. Now let's talk about the first one, ordered list, which is OL, stands for ordered list. Now here we're gonna end the ordered list. Whatever you will start, you have to make that end. Okay guys, have you noticed the difference that I have written my tags on 3 lines, but that are not displayed on 3 lines on your web page, because you have to, wherever you will write, it is not specified that it will be displayed in the same way on your web page. If you write the whole command or the content or the tags on 1 line, but you want to make it in a different lines, you can use the tags for that purpose. It is not necessary that if you write on the 3 lines, it will be displayed over there in within the 3 lines. As you can see, we have 3 lines written over here, but that are not displayed on my page. It comes in 1 line. Now let's change it into 3 lines, as I will make a list, so it will be displayed on 3 lines. Then it is important to save your file first, then move back, then press the refresh button, and now you can see the list. In the same way, you can apply unordered list. Now let's talk about adding an image. As you can see, the bold, italic, underline and the list as well. Now let me talk about left margin, right margin and other things. We also discussed this one. Now let me tell you that how we will apply the image. Okay guys, here is the image. Okay, this one. Now you will ask me that why I copy pasted, because it is the easier one, or it should be done in a quick way, so that's why I done it. Okay, this is again your image tag. Then these are attributes that we have talked about. I talked before about it. This first one is source, that where you will pick the picture. I have picked this one picture. Then the style, that your picture should be where it what is the style that we want to pick. Style include the float. Float means that your picture will be on the right side or the left side. Then the width will specifies the size or the frame of your picture, that how much in the length and how much in the width size you will get your picture. Then I will again change these pixels for you, and I will tell you the difference. Okay, again file, save, and as you guys see, picture is over here at this corner. Now let me tell you, let me change these pixels for you. First of all, we will only change the side. I will erase the right and I will write left over here. Again, file, save. If you will not save your file, for example, I have not saved my file and I will move back on this one, or if I have not reloaded or refreshed my page, changes will not be mentioned over here. Now you can see I have saved my file. Now this problem may be with you as well, so be very specific for this one. You have to save your file, move back. See, picture is still on the right side. Why? Because I have not reloaded it. Now let's reload this one. Now your picture is on your left side. Okay, why nothing is appearing on this side? Because we have adjusted the margin over here, so this whole line must be blank. Okay, now let me change these pixels for you. These were 70. Now let's move it to 100 and again 100. Okay, reload. Nothing happened. Why? Figure out. Yes, I have not saved my file. So let's go back, save the file, and then reload. Now you can see the picture is a bigger picture. Now in the same way, you can design your web page. Okay, two things that I have forget to mention, and those were very easy. So let's do that. For example, I have told you about two empty tags or empty elements. First one is your BR, which is the line break, and the second one is HR, which is a horizontal line. Let's try BR first. My hello word is a one word, as you can see. It appear on 1 line. Now let's break this one. I am writing in between hello and word BR. It means it should break my line. Again, file, save, then reload. See, it break my line over here. Now let's use your HR tag. Again, file, save, reload, and you can see a horizontal line. Now you can see your line is not starting from here and not ended over here. Okay, let's play with your margin as well. Let me not fix any kind of margin. I have deleted this one. Now let's see the difference. Your page is starting from this side and ended till your screen ends. There is no margin. Now let's again specify the margin, and then you can see the difference. Now I'm changing my margin to 100 pixel. Again, save my file, reload, and now you can see it is having a white or blank space as same in you as we have seen in your Word, and this is over here. Now let's play again with your picture. Let me put this pink picture into the center of screen. Will it work? Let's try. Reload. Ah, your picture is not coming in the center. Maybe we have wrong spellings. Or it's again. So as you can see, these are only for right and left. So we can put your picture, our picture at the right side or at the left side only. So hope this all clear your many issues, and now you will be able to design your web page. And let me clear one thing for you. Your web page that you will design cannot be uploaded. Uploaded process is a very different one, and that require multiple other steps. This lesson or this unit that we are doing right now will only tell you about the basic concept, that how your web page is designed. It will not allow you to upload your page. So try to design your page and be more creative, and tell me about any kind of issue in the comments. So thank you. Allah Hafiz.